Hi guys, so I decided to do a fall look, stay tuned. So I already did my eyebrows because if you already know, like I'm still not a perfectionist, but I used a Nicka K New York in the color black eyebrow kit, and I used the LA Pro concealer in the color Toast to do my eyebrows. I never do them on camera because it'll probably take me like a good 20 minutes. Now I'm gonna put on the Vitamin Enriched Face Base Primer. I did a video about this already when unboxing it from Influencer, and I will say for the second time trying it, I like it very much. First of all, I like the smell. I think I said that in the other video, but the smell is really good to me, and I do feel like it did prime. And the awesome thing about this is it doesn't only prime, but it moisturizes your skin too. So it's like basically an all-in-one primer and a moisturizer at the same time, and which is good because it has that vitamins in it, whereas my other primer, which I'm still gonna use, but my other primer is kind of just bland and smell, and I don't think it has any like good vitamin enriched properties in it. I already got to this part. Alright, so I'm using Smashbox, my favorite foundation, the 16-hour foundation. By the way, all these links for all the products will be in the description, and the color though, for just in case, I'm using is 4.6. The skin tone very deep, undertone cool, and I've been using this foundation ever since I got it in, I believe, December of last year. Like, this is my go-to foundation. So yeah. And once again, I am no makeup guru. I am still pretty much a beginner, but I think I've definitely progressed from when I started makeup, I will say. So now I'm going to use my e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. I also received this from Influencer. At least I don't waste stuff that I get for free. And the color I use is the Rich Cocoa color. And I feel like because I was in a rush, I didn't do some certain steps that I normally do. Like at the end, I didn't use my setting spray, but hey, it was just for the video. Like I literally took it off like 2 hours after I was home, so I needed a video, you know. And I haven't done makeup in a minute, so that's why I thought, let me just come up with this look. Can't believe fall's next week. That's crazy. Just like that. And it's December, my birthday month. I don't know what I'm doing for my birthday. Probably nothing big. Comment down below what I should do. I don't know what I was looking at on my face, but okay. On to the next. I should have edited this out, but I'm not doing this voiceover. Alright, so I'm using the Colourpop Yes Please palette, and I'm going to start with the color. Well, it's yellow in your eyes, but they call it French Kiss. So French Kiss. I'm using the color French Kiss. Then I went ahead, Now I'm gonna use the color Champs. It's basically an orangish color. Yep, Champs. I'm a champion. That was so corny. I was trying to be funny. gonna be honest with you guys, like I've been like kind of slow on content ideas. Every time I have so many skincare masks that I want to do, but half the time that I'll be honest, I'm tired and I don't feel like it. But you know, that's just gonna have to do until, you know, I take out these braids, because they're not coming out until like 4 more weeks, I think. Yeah, about. So Amanda, oh man, I have so much natural hair content in my mind. So when they come out, I'm ready to receive all that natural hair content. So then you can get stuff like this, makeup, unboxings of them. Stay tuned, because I got a couple of videos of that too. Just waiting for my stuff packages to come. Oh, and while I'm talking about this, I'm just talking a lot just so that, you know, it's not just space of you just watching me. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'm really trying to grow. Like, I feel like I was growing fast and then it stunted my growth. I really want to get to 1,000. I've been working hard, I feel like. And watch to the end of the video. I can't stress that enough, because some people click on it and then turn it off. Now I'm going to use Juvia's Place, the Masquerade palette, the mini one. They have a other bigger one, I don't know what it's called, but it's basically the same with more colors. And I'm using the Dahia, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. Of course, it'll be in the description box. I was being extra at this point because I honestly didn't have to add that color. I just wanted to be extra for some reason. It's kind of like reminds me of like a goldish color. And now I'm going to be using the mascara, the Monsieur Big mascara. I believe I got this. Oh yeah, I got that from Ulta in December of last year for my birthday. That was our free thing from Ulta, because I do have an Ulta card. Clearly I don't buy that much makeup. Eventually I'll get a big prize. Sometimes it's just easier to go to the beauty supply, honestly, and get what I want. Just being honest. Now I'm going to use the Urban Decay color Conspiracy. This kind of, I didn't want to be too bold since my eyes are already bold. This is kind of like brownish but with the shimmer on it. So that's what's cool about this color. May have put a little bit too much, but hey. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed my beginner makeup look, because I'm still a beginner. Thanks so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.